Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be exploring the topic of long-term care insurance and discussing whether it's worth the investment. Before we delve into the details, let's start with a quick definition. Long-term care insurance is designed to provide coverage for these types of expenses: care in nursing homes, assisted living facilities, at-home adult daycare services, hospice care, and respite care. Now the big question, is long-term care insurance worth it? Well, that depends on several factors. First, consider your financial situation. Can you afford the premiums? Remember, long-term care can be quite expensive, so making sure you can comfortably pay for insurance coverage is essential. Now, let's talk about the cost of long-term care insurance. It's important to note that the price of a long-term care insurance policy can vary based on several factors. Let's take a look at some average costs to give you an idea. According to data from the American Association for Long-Term Care Insurance, in 2022, the average cost of a long-term care policy with $165,000 in level benefits was around $950 per year, or about $79 per month for a 55-year-old single man. For a 55-year-old single woman with the same level of benefits, the average cost was approximately $1,500 per year, or about $125 per month during the same year. However, it's important to understand that these figures serve as a general guideline. The actual cost of a long-term care insurance policy can vary depending on factors such as the state you live in and the age at which you enroll. To illustrate this point, let's consider the impact of age on the cost of a long-term care insurance policy. Just a 5-year difference in age can make a significant difference. For example, a 60-year-old single man would see an increase in the cost of the same policy to around $1,175 per year, or about $98 per month. Similarly, a 60-year-old single woman would face a higher cost of approximately $1,900 per year, or about $158 per month. As individuals reach the age of 65, the cost of long-term care insurance tends to increase further. On average, a 65-year-old single man could expect to pay around $1,700 per year, or about $142 per month, for the same policy as of 2021. For a 65-year-old single woman, the average cost would be approximately $2,700 per year, or about $225 per month. Remember, these figures are just averages, and individual circumstances can greatly impact the cost of long-term care insurance. It's crucial to consult with insurance providers to get personalized quotes and understand how various factors may affect the pricing. Next, think about your health and life expectancy. Are there any pre-existing conditions or family history that may increase your likelihood of needing long-term care in the future? Additionally, it's important to consider government programs like Medicaid that may provide some coverage for long-term care services. Personal preferences also play a role. Some individuals prefer to rely on family members or other alternative options for their long-term care needs. It's crucial to assess your support network and determine if those options align with your preferences. It's worth mentioning that long-term care insurance is not necessarily a waste of money. However, it may not be the right choice for everyone. Affordability, health status, and alternative options are all factors to consider before making a decision. Another common question is whether you can purchase long-term care insurance after the age of 65. While it is possible, it may become more challenging and expensive. Premiums tend to increase rapidly for individuals over 65, and there is a higher likelihood of being uninsurable for long-term care. For affordability and cost-effectiveness, it's best to get long-term care insurance between ages 50 and 65, while in good health and for more reasonable premiums. Note that it may not be feasible for those over 80 in poor health with pre-existing conditions or currently receiving long-term care. In summary, long-term care insurance can provide valuable coverage for the costs associated with long-term care services. Whether it's worth the investment depends on factors such as your financial situation, health and life expectancy, government programs, and personal preferences. It's important to carefully evaluate these factors and consider alternative options before making a decision. That's all for today's video. We hope you found this information useful and gained a better understanding of long-term care insurance. If you have any questions or would like to share your thoughts, feel free to leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Thanks for watching.